I'm outside now. I need to clean our grill. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just thought to myself I should have done this in the morning before going to fix my nails. I hope I'm not going to damage these nails. It's too early, so I might probably just have to wear kitchen gloves, but I hope that will do. So I need to get this out. So guys, these are what I'm going to be needing. I'm going to be needing soap. I'll be using this Vim as well, and this had this sponge I'm going to be using, and also this brush. I think I need a longer one of this brush. I can't find my kitchen. I definitely know I ran out of it. I don't have the kitchen gloves, so I'll be wearing this. And also I'll be needing the cooking spray, oil spray when I'm done, with paper towel. So I have my bowls here. I'm just going to get hot water, like hot or warm, from the tap, and I'll begin to
when I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say.
Runny nose or shortness of breath?
No.
Have you or anyone in your household traveled outside Nova Scotia in the last 14 days?
No.
And any known contact with COVID in the last 2 weeks?
No.
So, we're pretty much done.
Okay.
You get more sanitizer.
Okay.
It is now 77 days instead of 105 for your next appointment.
For your next one. Oh, nice.
So you will get an email today stating that, and you book your own second appointment.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I have to book it.
Yes, like
Okay.
today you're gonna
Get an email and rebook it.
then you
Oh, okay.
rebook your appointment, your second appointment.
All right. So that's
okay?
77 days.
At 77 days.
Okay.
Okay, instead of 105. So it's 30, like a 30 some days up.
Oh,
okay?
nice. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. So
You're welcome.
where can I move to?
So you're going to go straight down to the ladies with the yellow vest.
Okay.
And they'll help you from there. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Hello, good morning.
You look lovely today.
Thank you.
Are you here? Number 2. Right in behind.
Oh,
It's in the blue chair in the corner.
okay. Hi, good morning. All right. Just blow that fast. good day.
That's right, so you can have a seat there. Have a
Okay,
good day.
thank you, you too. So guys, I'm gonna be talking with you guys when I get outside because I can't cover anyone in here. This is 9:07, so I have 11 more minutes. No, what am I saying? Yeah, about 11 more minutes. Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning and I just got back home from the center. I'm sure you guys saw from the video, I just got vaccinated and that's my first vaccine dose. It was pretty good. I didn't feel any pain. Like that was the tiniest needle that entered into my body. Like normally I don't get scared of injections and all of that, but this was pretty good and I have to wait 15 minutes. I'm sure you guys know that's a normal routine. You have to wait 15 minutes to check if you're going to react or develop any pain or anything. But it was cool for me. I waited my 15 minutes and left. I just got back home. It was pretty fast, like pretty fast. All these things happened under 18 minutes. My appointment was for 9 o'clock. And I left the center. I was supposed to leave the center at 9:18, but I left 9:19. So I actually went late. I don't know what happened to my Google map. It wasn't working. I restarted my phone. It didn't work still. Though I know where the location, I know the vicinity, but I don't know the exact location. So I just decided to go and I was praying the Holy Spirit should just lead me. And lo and behold, the Holy Spirit led me. It was so easy. Like I didn't have to roam about or ask anyone. And mind you guys, it's Sunday morning. The road is quite free, so you hardly see anyone around. And the location is beside a mall, so the mall hasn't opened yet. So there was not even anyone around for me to ask. But God was so good. I found it so easy to locate. Usually when you get your first dose, the next one is after 105 days or 101 days. But now it's been reduced to 77 days. I hope I'm getting this right. 77 or 75 days, guys. I know about 30 days difference. So now I'm going to get an email to re-register, because normally when you register for the first dose, it automatically registers you for the second one. But I was told I'll get an email and maybe I have to re-register or something. But the bottom line is the days has been reduced. You don't have to wait 107 days or 105 days or 101 days. I don't know the exact days, guys, but I know it's 100 something and 70 something days. So that's it. I've gotten vaccinated. I and my husband decided not to both get vaccinated the same day. So mine is first and he'll be getting his own like couple of days. So I think that's better just in case anybody reacts to it. So guys, I'm at home and the kids are in the bathroom. I'm sure you guys probably be hearing the shower sound. I didn't finish up my makeup. Like I said, I went pretty late because as soon as I realized that my map wasn't working, I was like, girl, no delaying, like just move out, just move out. I don't know if you guys can see, because this place is, I'm in my kitchen and the cupboard is brown, so it's always making this place brownish kind of thing, and it's almost like the exact color of my face, brown skin girl. So guys, I wanted to do like a full makeup and just take picture because I like the dress I'm wearing. This is the dress I got from H&M yesterday. I'm sure you guys, if you've seen my previous vlog, then you will understand. So I just got this and everyone loved it. Like I got a lot of compliments at the center and it's so pretty. I know it's pretty, so I said, okay girl, maybe I should just take a picture today for Instagram. And that was it, sha. But I couldn't finish up my makeup like I was saying. I think I'm talking so much. I couldn't finish up my makeup, so I need to finish up my brows and just do lipstick and probably bronzer and just get out of the house. And again, I made a mistake. I was supposed to just finish up the makeup in the car and just take a picture around that vicinity because I know it's going to be quiet. But I forgot my tripod, guys. I forgot my tripod. This is the tiniest pencil I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna go ahead to do my makeup. Unfortunately, I do not have a mirror yet, so I think I'm gonna be using the camera, or I'll just go get a mirror. I think I should go get a mirror because I'm looking brownish. This pencil is so tiny, guys. There's been a break from me uploading. Oh my god, this is not easy. What I want to do is not easy. This pencil is tiny. I'm not used to using my mirror from the powder. Anyways, my brows doesn't need so much. It's well carved, so just something to enhance it. Anyways, guys, I'm sure you guys, a few people chatted me, a few people noticed I didn't upload anything on my YouTube or my Instagram page. It's not easy talking and doing something. And my Instagram page, guys, I just decided to just reevaluate my life. Reevaluate, yes. So I just decided to reevaluate my life. Like me, I'm a deep thinker. I wasn't before. I'm a deep thinker in the sense that I like to reevaluate. I like to see if what I'm doing is okay, if I'm working in line with God's purpose for my life, but not a deep thinker as think about things, worse things, or think about people and all of that. No. I just always want to make sure that I'm on the right track. So that's what I mean by it. Me, I don't have heart to think, like I don't get worried. Yes, okay, that's the point I want to bring out. Like I'm a deep thinker, but not that I get worried about things, trivial things or things like that. Yeah. So that's what happened. Like I just started thinking, and I felt like I was actually praying to God, like, God, please just help me. Like, am I working in purpose? Am I doing the right thing? Because that's the main thing for me. That's my own main goal. Like, let me walk in purpose according to what God have in plan for me. Along the line, during the lockdown, I took a casual job. And mind you, my normal job is casual as well. Like, I just started, and because we are on lockdown, I couldn't work from home, and that means I won't get paid. So I had to take another casual job pending the time. So as soon as the lockdown was called off, I was like, oh good, I'm going back to my job, even though that's casual too, but that's actually what I want to do. And I needed to do that to be able to get in properly, right? So because I'm still waiting for like my license and some other stuff to do. And I started that one, and not too far, I'd not gone too much into it. The lockdown was called off, so I was so happy, like, oh, thank God, I'm going back into my job. But before then, the casual job I took gave me time. Like, I didn't have to do much. So I had time to really study, really pray, and do stuff. You get. So that was when I started thinking about the thing, like, God, am I really, even with the content I'm doing, like, I was just thinking about my life generally, like, am I giving value? Like, even my content, what's it preaching? What's it all about? Like, am I giving my best? Am I being a blessing to humanity and all of that? Like, then I just started praying and all of that. So as soon as the lockdown was called off, I was like, oh good. So guys, I heard the news on Monday that the lockdown was going to be eased off, and I was supposed to resume back on Thursday. So I stopped working from Monday, and I just felt, okay, let me just seize this opportunity. Like, I had 3 days to my resumption. Was it 3 days? 3 days to my resumption. Let me just use it wisely. And I went into a place of solitude. It was intentional, like me not posting, me not doing anything. I just went that time alone with God, like spend more time praying, spend more time to hear from Him, and that's it. Like it was intentional, not as if anything happened. So many people asked me, like, are you okay? What's up, and all of that. I'm like, I don't even know if I should say I'm okay. Like, I'm okay, but it was intentional, guys. I just thought I should let you guys know. And I think this is very important in our life. Sometimes you just want to stay away from all the noise. Social media can be so distracting, guys. I don't know the color of lipstick I should use. And guys, I'm color blinded where I am right now because everything is just looking different. But I'm just gonna try use this. I don't know what the guys think. So guys, it was intentional. Me not posting was intentional. I just went that time off social media, whereby I can just focus on God alone, like try to hear from Him, pray, and all of that. And that was what I did, and it's so good. Like guys, it refreshes. Like it's so good. Like I wish life can just be like that, so quiet, just you and your God and all of that. I really enjoyed that, guys. I really enjoyed it. So it was intentional, and thanks to everyone that checked up on me. Your girl is doing quite all right. I'm doing fine. I don't know what I'm doing with this makeup, guys. I don't know where I'm going with it. I think I'm fine. I'll just put gloss. That's the only thing. That's what helps us. So guys, I'm just gonna be going out shortly. Immediately I finish this makeup, let's go and take pictures. Just one picture. I'm taking with this dress because I don't have so much time. I have other things to do today. So, and I didn't really plan it. So it's not a day whereby I want to take pictures and what am I saying? It's not a day whereby I want to change.